Refurbished. Verb. To renovate or redecorate. Something. Cool. But also what? A refurbished mobile phone. If you're thinking of buying one but don't quite understand what that means, then keep watching this video. Refurbished phones are usually phones sent back by customers who either changed their minds about what they bought or the phone had a minor fault like a scratch or scuff or a weird message stuck on the back. These phones then get checked and, if necessary, restored to full working order. Here at the Big Phone Store, we make sure the phone is fully functional, has good battery health, is unlocked ready to activate, and is securely erased and restored. They may be missing things like original packaging, chargers, headphones, but they usually do come with warranty. Check out the Big Phone Store for more details on our warranty terms. And that's it. Short video, really. Enjoy your day, I suppose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.